What is up, team? So in today's video, I do want to have a look at Bitcoin and Solana because Solana does and it will have a big massive move coming. First of all, we are in this channel right here. Okay, we are in this channel. We are in a massive bear flag. So can Solana come back down to these levels at $12? I'm going to talk about that in just a second on how that could potentially happen and what pattern we are doing. And of course, we're going to dive into Bitcoin right after I dive into this. But we are ranked number 9 in Solana. We're holding the $40 region pretty well, traded at $40.60, market cap of $14 billion. Are we going to peak below $14 billion? Very possible. Volume is quite down. We are down 10% on volume, so it's not being traded so much today. The volume to market cap is currently 7.6%. So of course, 7.6% of the market cap is currently being traded, down 4% in the past 24 hours. Like I said, Solana, top 10 coin, very good. Good community. Let's have a look at Bitcoin first because we know Bitcoin is king, guys. And without Bitcoin, we're not moving. Without Bitcoin, when Bitcoin dumps, Solana dumps, kadena dumps, Filecoin dumps, all the altcoin dumps. When Bitcoin pumps, everything else pumps. So diving into Bitcoin real quick. First of all, daily time frame. I'm not going to be diving into too much 4-hour or whatnot, but this is the daily time frame on Bitcoin. Okay, we are in a parabolic phase right now, or maybe potentially entering a parabolic phase. Okay, a lot of people are calling Bitcoin to go to $30,000 by the end of this week, in the next couple of days. Okay, we are already Tuesday. The end of the week ends Sunday night, so it's going to be very interesting to see if we can make a massive swing to this area right here. Maybe 25,000, retest this resistance right here, and then come back down, or maybe even break that and go straight to $28,000. We're gonna have to see. Right now, there's not so many good news on the market. We got recession, two negative straight quarters. We got food shortage. We got oil shortage. There's a lot of things happening right now, so it's not so great. I don't think people are gonna be buying crypto at this very moment. But that being said, we are having a nice little move to the upside, and we are and did get rejected right here on the 4-hour time frame right here on Bitcoin, as you guys can see. This is the 4-hour chart. I don't know why I said daily, but right here we are getting a nice little rejection. We did get a nice little rejection wick at this area right here. We got rejected here. We got a rejection here at the resistance. This flipped to support, and another one right here. So this is why I put this nice little box right here. Two things could happen. One, we break this parabolic line and we come back down all the way to $20,000 and retest. Two, we continue moving to the top and we retest this line right here sitting at $26,000. We're gonna have to see. Right now, I'm just gonna play the breakout. If we manage to have a couple closer above this area right here, I'm gonna be looking to long. If we're gonna have a nice little closure on the 4-hour time frame below their parabolic line, I'm gonna be looking to short this all the way down to $20,700, which is an 8% gain. If you guys are using 3 to 5x leverage, that could be anywhere from 25 to 40% gain. So that is fantastic. And for Bitcoin, is very okay to do. Not financial advice, guys. Always do your own research and due diligence. If you guys don't know how to use leverage, I wouldn't recommend doing it. But having a look at Solana real quick. Okay, so my ultimate prediction for Solana or TA. First of all, guys, not financial advice, but whatever I'm about to say is going to sound crazy for a lot of Solana fans, okay? First of all, we do have a double top right here. Double tops are bearish. We know that, okay? This is the neckline right here, currently sitting at $36. If we come back and retest this level at $35 and break it, we're most likely going to come back down and retest $24. Another thing is this area right here. We're currently seeing a slight rejection at this green box right here. We got a rejection right here, one, another one right here, two, and this was a consolidation phase, so it held another rejection, okay, or held another, it's a support essentially, okay. So that being said, let's have a look at my price prediction for Sol for this bear market until it ends. A lot of people think this bear market's over. I don't think it's over, guys. If I take the top of this flag, and I actually bring it down at the breakout, we meet almost exactly at $12.74. $12 and okay, it's $13. My price prediction, like I said a few weeks ago in my video, is sitting at $12.58 because of this green box right here on the daily time frame. Now we did come back here and retested this area, so this area right here sitting at $24.12 ultimately becomes a strong resistance, and of course we could get well rejected by these wicks right here at $20. So we had two big wicks at $20, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of buy orders sitting at 19.06 exactly, 19.06, 20, $21. I'm sure that we're gonna have a lot of buy orders right here. But another thing, guys, is that we have to be very careful, because once again, we are in a bear market. No, this is not bull at all. Yes, we are seeing a nice little relief bounce right here. We had to get that nice little relief bounce, and the reason why is because we were oversold. Now we know when we're below 30, investors are going to look to buy, and when we're above 70, like right here, investors are going to look to sell. So this is the big sale that we had. We were way overbought. A lot of people were like, oh, the bull market is back, but guess what? We dumped like crazy. We were above 70, we dumped like crazy. So this is exactly what is happening right now. We're seeing this nice little relief rally, nothing too crazy. Still, this is a bear market rally in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna pump all the way back to 87 or even do all-time highs. A lot of people are calling, oh, bull market's back, this is back. No, I don't think so, guys. Soul summer, I don't think so. I don't want to be negative. And I'm not a downer. I'm going to keep accumulating SOL. I'm going to keep buying SOL, a little bit of it. I'm not a big SOL holder, but I will keep buying a little bit of it every month, because why not? And that's about it. We want Solana to go lower. We want these cheaper SOLs. I mean, think about it. If we come back down to $20, you don't need to invest as much money anymore, because it's essentially pretty low. So it's easier to essentially make a lot of money when you're buying low than it is when you're buying high. That's facts. Nothing too crazy about that. So this is my video, guys, on Solana and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And another thing before I go, guys, I want to talk about is this guy messaged me on Telegram. I have a Telegram paid channel, okay? He joined my group literally yesterday, and he said, I'm not able to chat on your Signal group because it is closed, but your ETH call just gave me a 3-month salary in one trade. Thank you, Dose. This guy made $8,433, 21.58%. That is crazy. Even I don't make that much money. I don't know. Like, yes, I'm a YouTuber in this. I like to invest and trade with a smaller amount, but I don't know how much, I don't know why or how much money or how he has that, guys, but literally my $100 channel literally gave him 8,433. Now, at the end of the day, it depends how much you're trading with, right? So if you're trading with, I'm assuming he used 20 grand, then yes, it's worth to essentially buy a channel or a trading channel that's worth $99. If you're going to trade with $50 or $200 or even $300, maybe it's not so worth it to spend $99 on a trading channel. So this is it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.